imported, and that's basically what we created here. There's going to be a bracket. Okay. So here, we're going to give this a class name of product row, and give it a key of the actual ID of the product. ID, and we're going to be sending the entire product. So product list is the entire list of products, and product is basically each of the element of the product. Yeah. So we haven't done the I'm just trying to see this. This is fine. Okay. So the product, yeah. So here, what we're going to do now is we're going to do the actual GET request. So so this is basically we're going to set up the function, and we're going to call it fetch data. And we're going to basically set up try catch blocks, and it's going to be almost the same with the whole base URL. The same thing, we can just copy paste this part. So the only difference is going to be it's going to be a get. So let's call that get. And it's just going to be the base URL. So we can just change that, and we don't need to pass the form data because we don't need to pass anything for the get request. So, and for that, after we get the response, we can set the product list. So set product list. We're going to set it to response.data. And if there's any error, we don't need, we don't need this. Console.log. And we could just log the data. And if there's any issue, we could just console it out. Error fetching products. And so we're setting the error. Yeah. There's an issue here, so let's see what the issue is. So just give it a class name of product-grid. And let's try to write this thing one more time from the beginning. So with the product list container, which is here. Okay, let's take this to the bottom. Okay. So yeah. So we have the products list container. So now let's create the div, call it products. And inside here, let's create another div. Product center. Okay. So it should work now. So we're checking the product list dot message, right? And we're checking if there is no product or not. There are no products. Question mark. Then we're gonna do the div. And inside this div, we just do the p tag and the product row and the product list dot message. In here, we do div and this is going to be the product grid. And now we're going to basically map through the product list. Bracket. And here, we're going to basically pass in the product. And so another thing that we have to do is when we click on the delete button, we want the product to be deleted instantly. So for that, we need to create a function. So which is remove product from list. And we're passing in the product card or the product ID actually. ID. And we're basically going to set the product list, which is basically from the state hook. And we're going to basically go through the product. Grave product list dot filter. And it's basically going through the product list and trying to see if it matches the ID or not. That's basically what it does. So we're taking this function and we're going to be passing it to the product card as a prop. And another thing is we have to pass a key here, which is going to be the ID. And okay. So I don't know what is wrong here. Okay, so here, okay, expected. So let's take a look at the product card. So basically all of the props that we're passing in here, we have to basically accept it here. So let's do the product and the remove product from list. And here is basically where we have to destructure. Description, price, category, brand, stock quantity from the product. And
How long it can take more? Sorry.
this can take like about like 30 minutes, maybe.
How long?
30 minutes.
We can continue next, at least the next week.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
How far, what we can run so we can run
Okay,
whatever
so
we have done so far.
okay. So if so basically since we're in the midst of connecting, so it's not really gonna run.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so yeah, we can basically continue on the next one, in the next workshop.
Yep, let's do that. So I think that will be better. Do you guys have any question? We'll be wrapping up the next workshop and also the doing the Dockerize and deploy on the AWS. Very nice. Yeah,